how did you meet Roman and Quit Code, and why did you decide to hire us?
It was through Upwork. I was looking for a developer to do certain tasks for us, to automate some processes for us. I put a posting on Upwork and got somewhere between 50 and 60 bids. I basically boiled it down to 3 providers in the end. And the descriptions of what they do actually spoke to exactly what I was looking for. And even the projects that they had reviews for were very similar to what I was looking for. So I knew I was barking up the right tree.
Awesome.
What spoke to me was the fact that consistently over and over and over, every testimonial spoke about the fact that Roman went beyond the call of duty of what the client really wanted.
And what problem were you specifically trying to solve?
I was trying to automate a lot of our HR processes, from hiring employees, onboarding them. We have a very, very sophisticated payroll that needed to be both automated and just organized in a way where we can pull in a lot of different tasks into a very streamlined process, mostly using Airtable. That's really what they seem to specialize in, but just general automation. And since we actually didn't even start with that particular project, we started with something smaller, because that was another one of the things I did. Even after I hired them, I gave them like a really small in a box type of project where it wouldn't be a huge investment. I can see how they work. We can see if we have a good working relationship with each other, and see how quickly and effectively they got that done. And then only then I was comfortable giving them a larger project.
Okay.
I thought it was going to be a simple workflow, and then we're like, oh, well, we can create a dashboard and we can do all these things that we didn't think. So we can see information like this. Oh, that's a great idea. I didn't even think about that at the beginning. For now, this, they've exceeded my expectations and really done a great job. I don't have any projects for them, right this second, but I would certainly hire them in the future. They're great.
Awesome. And so do you think this was a good investment, and what made you rationalize it as a business owner based on the price?
In the end, we're able to scale back on an entire employee in the office. Obviously, that has long-term ramifications. It's not just a one-year savings there.
Exactly.